Here at Westfalia, we're passionate about products that enhance your adventures, and this trailer light tester is no exception. Whether you're off on a spontaneous day ride or gearing up for an overnight drive, this test will ensure a safe and secure journey to your destination. This trailer light test has been designed for an easy and effective run-through for all users. But to ensure safety and avoid any confusion, we're going to run through some great user tips. Let's begin by connecting the trailer to the hitch and hooking up the electrics. Next, you want to turn on the ignition of your vehicle like so. Within 60 seconds of turning on the ignition, press the brake twice within 3 seconds. Then, within 3 seconds, the test will start and the sequence will begin. And that's it. The cycle will then repeat unless there's any action from the driver. And the test also stops automatically after 20 cycles. Remember, the test can only be performed once per trailer connection. So if you want to restart the test, the trailer needs to be reconnected. I hope this quick run through helps you get out on your towing adventures, safely and stress-free. See you on the road.